Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a pickup? This might be it. Super clean on this 2015, this GMC, the Sierra 1500. Stock number is 7400. Let's take notice of this virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this 1500 up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Tow package, of course, tonneau covering, rear window, as you can see in the back, power window at that. Running boards, ample legroom, as you can see right here. Leather interior. This truck has just over 20,000 miles. That's incredibly low. Take notice of the front interior. The cab is absolutely in excellent condition. All your controls at fingertips. I just can't get over the miles in the year of this truck. It's perfect. Super clean, low miles, not going to last long, I'll guarantee you that. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Visit the website and take a look at all the other videos. Call us, email us, text us. We will be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to hopefully earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.